want to take a look at the Japanese yen this morning. I actually was looking at it yesterday, Sunday, and I like this candle right here that we got Friday. Zoom in a little bit. I thought this was a really nice candle, and I was leaning really toward the long side, but I wanted to wait until this morning because of how volatile the markets have been lately to try to get an idea of what I thought it would do, where we were looking at a bottom at the yen was. As you can see today, we got some pretty good down move, which, as I said, I wasn't real sure what the market was going to do today because I didn't know we were reaching a top in the market or if it was just people not wanting to hold risk over the weekend. And so I'm getting a little bit of bigger move here in the yen than I wanted to see this morning, considering I was looking for an upside trade. It also broke through, all of the weekly support that I had drawn, and it's now it's going down to this price level. So the question is, will it hold this price level? I still think that there's a good trade here in the yen. And look, so this right here, we're looking at the moving averages. You've got the 200 moving average right here, which we're below, and it's kind of bounced around the 200 a little bit through here. You don't really have any true direction here in the other moving averages other than we've got a sharp move down. But let's take a look at this is the wave chart. And you can see we've definitely got a downtrend coming here looking at the wave. But every time we've hit this 2 ATR Keltner channel, we've got a bounce. We've hit it, we get a bounce. We're still moving down, but we're bouncing as we move down. So I'm looking here as we're getting close to this 2 ATR here. We're also approaching an oversold area on the RSI again. When we've hit these areas down through here, we've typically got a bounce. So I'm kind of thinking that we're going to get a bounce from right here based on the wave chart. Look at the Bollinger Band chart, and you see the same thing. Yes, we have a downtrend, but we're getting bounces off of this, again, the 2 ATR band. So I believe that there is a trade here today that we can take. I would not want to just buy a call. I would not want to just buy the yen here. I wouldn't want to buy anything, but I do think there's a good opportunity to sell some options here, expecting that bounce. Let's take a look at what type of trade that I think would work best here on the yen where it's trading at this morning. This is the option chain, 25 days out to expiration on the yen. And where I'm looking at is right here at this 0.09 level. Let's look at that on the chart. 0.09 is right here. So if we could sell an option 25 days out that would make money as long as we stay above this line, I think that looks like a pretty good trade here in the yen. But let's see if we can make enough money on it to make it worth it. Let's go ahead and sell a vertical, which we're going to sell a put credit spread. We're only going out, about 225 or 250 wide here, 225 wide here. Let's see what this looks like if we sold it for this credit. So we would get $62, and we're going to risk $250. So that means we've got the potential to make a 25% profit right here. I like that trade. I like the way that looks. This is my small account, so what I would probably do, let's do a vertical. I'd probably do 2 of them. So that means I'd have the opportunity to make $125 on a $500 credit. And if you look, my break even, let's pull it up in the Analyze tab. Let's go here, and we're going to do the 900, sell a vertical, and let's see what the risk profile on that looks like. For some reason my risk profile isn't working this morning, but we're going to be at a pretty good spot here. I would think that we've got about a 75 to 80% chance of this being a profitable trade just based on my previous experience. So if it were me, I would go ahead and sell a put credit spread right here. I'm going to pull this up on my other account, take a look at it, because I'm thinking seriously about taking this trade. As soon as the markets let me, as soon as the markets get open, I can get some trades going. Our break even is down here at 0.09. We've got 25 days left on it. So we've got some time, and it would have to come all the way down here. Yes, we are in a downtrend, so it wouldn't surprise me if we don't move down toward here. But again, we've got 25 days, so all I need is a slight move up, and then I would try to close and keep maybe 60% of the credit. So, today, looking at the yen and where it's at, looking at previous price action, if you want to get in a trade today, I would suggest that put credit spread around this 0.09 level, or 0.009 level, and using this 0.00895 to cover it. And good luck. If you have any questions, let me know. Please like this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see some more videos like this. Thanks.